We managed to get it on time. You don't know how much I don't want to do this. Look how steep it is. This is like a crappy tour on our great hammer at the front, so we're definitely going to die. We're going to die first. We're going to be in the fiery crash at the back.
Really makes me wonder. It makes me wonder.
A1, B1.
Okay, for 145. Okay.
Joy. What? I don't have. What number is it, Lawrence?
Gotcha.
A1 and B1. Yeah, we're
But these are. Oh, okay. I'm looking up. Oh, hello. Okay.
M5, we have 61 here, 61.
So you guys all ready to go? No. That was pathetic. Are you ready to go? It doesn't matter. You're going anywhere.
getting a bit cold now, isn't it?
I got my jacket because
yeah, I
I'm
know.
smart.
I'm freezing. Like, it's literally a 20-degree difference, I'm sure of it.
Yes.
Lovely, yeah.
Really lovely. Can I get that?
You're right.
Sitting down after a while.
I can see you did it.
Thank you.
She said it's lovely.
Peer pressure, peer pressure. There we go.
Okay. We didn't think how cold and windy it would be. It is freezing up here. It's got to be in the 30s, surely. Like, it could snow right now, I think. I need a restroom. Okay, it's so cold up here.
Speak brief.
Natalie was worried because in 2019, if you can even hear me, 2019, people died on the Cog Railway because it derailed.
Yay.
I'm going to go, really. We're just going to die up here. Oh my God. It is so cold and so windy right now.
Yeah.
Alright, 6,288 meters, feet. What is it, meters? Feet. Oh yeah, meters would be a lot more. Alright, there's a photo opportunity up here, so we're going to go take a selfie at the highest point. I'm so cold, everyone's keeping me warm. Peyton has a jacket in his bag that he won't wear, and he won't let me have it either. I'm literally like 2% body fat, so I really feel the cold. Why are you laughing so hard? You know what I worry about? What's that right now is that when I breathe in, the wet air is going to freeze. It's going to freeze my lungs up, and we're going to die.
Does it?
That cold.
Does it really
My
kill
lungs
you
will
if
freeze.
it freezes
Yeah.
up?
Yeah, it's a real thing.
We got a little knife we could cut you open.
I got my knife.
Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? And
Well, it's not as sharp. It's not as sharp as you know. We can tip knives away.
Oh yeah.
So we're in line to take a picture for the highest point, and we feel really bad because we're here in shorts and t-shirts, and we came up with the train, and there's people who have hiked the Appalachian Trail for thousands of miles over weeks and weeks, and this is a real high point for them. Hey Natalie, do you remember that time we moved to Florida for the weather? That was good time for that when we bought a house in Florida where it was nice and warm. New Hampshire, the highest point in the world. Peyton has an interesting fact. Can you say it again?
Yeah, in the 30s, 1930s, they recorded wind speed at 231 miles an hour up here.
To put it in perspective, right now it feels like it's about 229 miles an hour.
But it's probably only like 40.
What's the first sign of hypothermia, is it? For a male, is it when all the stuff goes inside? Because that happened a while back. Okay, that's step one. Why are we even here?
Oh, for God's sake! Who's there? Stop complaining!
Wind taking
My legs are like freezing up.
your legs locked up.
I think we're losing Laurences.
So literally, no joke, this is the coldest weather we've experienced in 4 years.
In forever.
Yeah.
We purposely leave this, don't we? Oh, the wind stopped.
How warm it is.
The wind stopped.
Oh, it's so pretty though with the blue.
Let me know when you're taking it so I can pretend I'm
3, 2, 1. Yep, go. Stay there. Hold on, let me go with some rocks behind you.
So it is very cool. This is probably one of the only places we've been. We've been through the Appalachian Trail a few times, or we've kind of crossed paths with it, but up here is one of the major hikes. So there is a lot of stuff around the hikers here. So there is a hiking shop, they can get things sent up here. There's a mail room, everything like that. It's actually run by the Cog Railway. So it's very cool. Now we paid for the Cog Railway, it was like $80 each, I think. And we don't normally spend that, but we thought, hey, we're here. It's the oldest Cog Railway. Wow, the sun just came out and warmed me up a little bit. But you can drive up here, but driving up is still like $80, I think, for a car, something like that. So anyway, the Cog Railway is really cool. But the advice from me to you, I'm so cold I can't even think, is bring a jacket. It is so cold up here. It's got to be in the 30s. It must. So some other interesting facts about the train. Each train, or each engine, they have one steam engine here, and then they have two, I don't know, diesel engines, because I think he said it takes 30 gallons to get up the hill. And each of them has 3 cogs, which are right in the centre, like a bicycle chain, he said. A bicycle chain welded down on the flat bit. And he has 3 cogs, one for acceleration, one for just going, and the other one is for brakes, for going back down. That's cool, isn't it? And I think they must have like 5 trains, I guess. All right, we're hiding behind a building now. So for information, the train ride, I already said the price is around about $80. $86.
At the weekends, and 74 during the week.
Yeah, during the week, but we can only do weekends. So the other interesting thing is that it's 45 minutes up, 45 minutes down.
37% incline is the most incline that you have.
Oh, really?
Yep.
And you get to where you can hang around at the top for about an hour. So, but seriously, it's cold.
Yeah.
And also, if you don't believe me, the wind is so strong that they have chains to chain the buildings down. Obviously not today, because the buildings are pretty heavy. But when you get up to 250 miles an hour, they have to be anchored. Close enough.
Stop over exaggerating.
Anyway, the views are fantastic. The only problem is that if you get the views where it's really foggy, you're not going to see anything at all.
No,
you're just going to be up here.
We've been pretty lucky.
He said the train guy said that we've been really, really lucky and we can see. But apparently, on an amazingly clear day, you can see the Pacific Ocean. Atlantic, sorry. Yeah. If you could see the Pacific, that would be really high. Really high. So, another couple of interesting facts.
Yes.
One is, in the winter they can only go halfway up, so there's a little platform halfway up. Oh. But they only go up to there. The other thing is, he was saying that they're in the middle of like 4 weather systems and like 48 smaller weather systems, which means that they can get any weather at any time up there.
Yeah, so 2 weeks ago there was a blizzard.
There was a blizzard with 12 inches of snow in like an hour 2 weeks ago, because the Arctic air was coming down
Bit like
and the
today.
southern air was going up. Yeah, they didn't have the southern air going up though, it was just the Arctic air. We were literally in the Arctic. Mm-hmm. The other thing that I found really cool, which you can see on the way up, is the trees are the same all the way up.
But they get
except
smaller.
They get smaller and smaller and smaller, and then eventually nothing can grow except moss and some grass. And there is one wildflower that only grows at the top.
It's rare.
Here.
Well, it's extinct though, isn't it?
I think he said it was going extinct,
Okay.
but they look after it now.
Should we end the video?
Send the video here.
Okay.
All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget, go and subscribe to
we're still
To Be
alive.
Determined. Yeah, and see if we survive on the way back down. But thanks for watching. We'll put a video up here that we think you will enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the thanks button because Natalie loves it when you do that. And you can hit the join button to become a Braziere and be a channel member and support a couple of tits.
And I apologise, I talked over Lawrence, but do go and check out To Be Determined. They are great people, Peyton and Andrea. We've had such a blast with them, and I think we get to hang out with them next week.
I think we do, yes. And what was I going to say? Can't remember.
We'll see you next
Hopefully you can hear everything in the video because it's been so windy. So if we cut from like being on the train to now, then it was too windy and I didn't put it in.
Okay.